we're about 10 matches away from being done for the day, but we will begin bright and early tomorrow at 8 a.m. for other matches. We see thumbs across the board, which means we're going to do autonomous in. 1, go. All 4 robots off and moving. Blue might have crossed the plane. Of course, that's a referee decision to make, not my own. But we'll see how this plays out. Scores by red, scores by blue, all across the board. Red may be in position to get an autonomous bonus, as might blue. Of course, those rulings will come down to the referees, and we'll see what happens.
It's going to be red. It's just going to be red. That red robot is still intersecting that line, so they can't get a win point. Blue cross, so red automatically wins the top. All right.
All right. Red with the autonomous bonus. Driver control in 3, 2, 1, go. Red not quite able to sneak out with that autonomous win point, about an inch away from crossing that white line, but still breaking the plane, unfortunately for them, though they do still get that autonomous bonus into that driver control period. All sorts of pushing and shoving going on as they're in one quadrant, absolutely kerfuffling and fighting and pushing and shoving. A lot of grit and grind in all these teams, literally and physically, as they are trying their best to get an advantage, all fighting for one corner right now. This is nothing but chaos and excitement as we are in match 17 again. These teams are really pushing the limits of what is possible with these 18 by 18 inch robots. Of course, with a little bit of expansion available to them, they are doing everything they can. Blue Lions holding steady in their corner, trying to make sure that they protect that doubled zone goal as their partners are looking to fill up another one. Red Alliance has 2 goals filled up of their own. Doesn't look like anyone currently has any possession of those neutral zone goals, but of course there's plenty of time for things to change as the match continues on. Now down to about 45 seconds remaining as the time is ticking down, and only ticking down faster and faster as the match continues. Red Alliance seems to be content to hold into that doubled zone right now, at least until the 30-second warning, but we're at 35 seconds remaining. You'll hear the bell ring. 3 seconds for them to be able to protect the zones. And there it is. There's the bell as those corner protected zones or doubler zones are now protected. Blue owning one of the neutral zone goals. Red playing some defense, or excuse me, red owning a neutral zone goal while playing defense on blue, who's trying to possess it on the far side of the field. They look like they might be in line. They snuck it in. Despite the strong defense there being played by the Red Alliance, they were able to finagle their way in for the final score there on the top side. And another blue score on the near side of the field, owning possession, taking 3 points. But Red Alliance, meanwhile, takes a huge goal and takes it into the negation zone. Huge, strong defense there by the Red Alliance. That could be match affecting. We'll see how this plays out as that match comes to a close.